Hello, sourcing warrior. I hope you are well and you are having a good day. The coronavirus, you might have heard about it by now, is causing a worldwide panic. Beyond the health concern, what is it doing to your business? Are you being affected? Are you running low in stock or even out of stock? What does it mean if you wanted to start a business in 2020? In today's video, I'm gonna give you some tips to overcome the disruptions caused by this virus, perhaps to help you to improve the supplier relationship and your inventory planning. Now let's quickly face the reality. The Chinese New Year holiday shutdown is already causing a lot of supply disruption because before the holiday, the factories start to lose workers, and after the holiday, these workers don't even return back to work. This caused a lot of backlog within the factory that they couldn't run. This means your overall lead time is increased. This means the order that you placed before the Chinese New Year is one of the most important purchase order that you should think about, because otherwise you will run out of stock. I believe I have a specific video talking about the Chinese New Year inventory planning, and in the mastermind course I talk in great detail to help you master inventory planning. If you haven't checked it out, be sure you do. Now let's add this layer of coronavirus to the Chinese New Year. Because of the coronavirus, now the Chinese New Year shutdown is officially being extended. Today is January 30th. All my Chinese suppliers have emailed and notified me that their factories are not returning back to work until February 10th. If you are running out of stock, I can seriously feel your pain because every single day without sales is quite painful. Given the situation, without knowing what's going to happen in the next few months, what we can do to better plan for our supply. And here are my tips. Tip number one, I think you should draft a nice and a sincere letter to your supplier, check in with them to see if they're okay, and take this opportunity to see exactly when the factory is going to be reopened. Even though there's a official date from the Chinese government, but each individual factories could be different. So I suggest you use this opportunity to foster your relationship with the factory and find out exactly when they are going to reopen. Tip number two, supply planning. Plan early. Listen to me, my friend. Chinese New Year holiday shutdown is already increasing the lead time. Now with the coronavirus, the lead time is going to be even longer. The factory lose workers after the holiday. With this situation, I can just imagine they're going to lose more workers. So there could be labor shortage issues, and it could be raw material issues. You don't really know what kind of disruption is happening in China. So I strongly recommend you to take a look at your inventory level. If you're thinking, oh, I don't need to place an order, think again. Get your order in early. Get in line, because you're going to wait for a long time for that order to be ready and return back to your stock. Tip number three, supply planning, order more. Why order more? Because the lead time now is increased. During this long waiting period, waiting for your new order to be back in stock, your current level of inventory is going to continue to deplete to the point it's dangerously low. If you tiptoe on this new order quantity, when you finally have this quantity back in stock, you probably face a situation that you're quickly running out of stock again. So, given this entire uncertainty of the situation, I really encourage you to review your order timing, perhaps order early, and your order quantity, perhaps order more. Now, for those of you who are thinking about to start a new business in year 2020, what does this mean to you? Nothing, my friend. You just need to stay focused and stay on course. This is just one of those things is going to pass. When others are scared and back out from the adventure, you stay and continue to carry out your plan. And for all of us who are in business already, the most powerful attitude we can hold is to stay strong and positive. In this particular situation, I think it's going to benefit you a lot if you can choose to stay compassionate to the situation and to your suppliers. Send them a nice email and work with them. Plan early and plan more. I hope you benefit from this video, my friend. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. It's a simple thing to do. If you really wanted to challenge yourself, I suggest you check out Sourcing Warriors Mastermind because it's going to make this year so remarkable. And I'm here to support you through the journey. I hope you stay well, stay strong, and subscribe Good Life Warrior channel. I'll see you in the next video.